This is a video I never wanted to make. No, that thumbnail is not clickbait. This video did cost me $1,611 to make. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to share a personal experience I had with my audience, not to complain about other companies, but to raise awareness about their terrible customer service. Let's go back just about a month now. I just received an order for my new DJI FPV drone with DJI Care Refresh. I start filming an unboxing with the new drone, and then I start setting it up. And right from the get-go, I noticed that I'm having some terrible connectivity issues. And I quickly realized that I need to send this drone back. I can't afford to have connectivity issues when I'm dealing with customers out in the field. So I contact DJI customer support through their chat. I thought this would be a very simple process because I had just gotten the DJI drone and it was well within the 14-day customer satisfaction window for returns. I asked if they would be sending me a shipping label, and they said they would not because the drone didn't have anything wrong with it. And I argued that, yes, I was having some terrible connectivity issues, and they said, okay, we will have technical support contact you, and they will send you a shipping label. A couple days went by, and technical support had not contacted me, but I had gotten email from customer support saying how to send back my drone, and I thought, okay, that's fine. I'll speed up the process and I'll send the drone back via USPS and just hurry up the overall process. When I sent the drone off, I did not purchase any extra insurance because I thought, oh, I'm sending this drone back. I should be covered through DJI. Obviously, that's not the case. About a week went by, and I still hadn't received my refund. So I went on to my phone, I tracked my package, and it said that it had made it to Cerritos, California, their post office there, and it was out for delivery via Route 34 to the DJI facility on the 19th of March. I called the post office in Cerritos, and the person I spoke with said they delivered the package. However, they forgot to scan it. So I called DJI, and they told me a story that they had never got the drone and they can't do anything to help me because the package had never been scanned as delivered. So I called the post office back, and they said they could not, or at first they said they could give me $50 because that was the only insurance the package had. This was the point I realized I was in deep trouble because someone was lying to me, and I have no idea who it was. USPS said they delivered the package, and DJI said they didn't get the package when they said it was delivered. What made the entire situation even more frustrating to me is that neither side was willing to help me whatsoever. The post office said it was entirely my problem because I had not paid the extra for shipping. Then I argued that basically they have a license to steal if they realize that, oh, this package is going to DJI, and we realized that they didn't have insurance on the package. Obviously, this argument didn't help me at all, and they said they looked for it, and the drone is gone. It's not coming back to me. It's just gone. Nothing I can do about it. At this point, I thought, okay, I've built my entire drone business on the DJI platform, and the company will probably go to bat for me. This was absolutely not the case in my situation. I emailed, chatted, and waited on the phone for representatives to call for what seemed like 3 hours a day. Every time I talked to someone, they said they would help, but they never offered up any resolutions. I would get the classic email asking how was our customer service after each of these conversations. And obviously, it was terrible. They never offered up any resolution. Finally, I got my case escalated to a higher up customer support representative who said they would be giving me a call with a resolution. I was very excited about this. And actually, I never received any calls from them. I never received a missed call from any representatives. They were just able to leave voicemails. Each voicemail they left, they said they can't get me on the phone, but they never had a number to call or any other way to get in contact with me. And I gave them my schedule, and they never responded. So I decided I would just email this specialist some possible resolutions that I would see fit. One of them was I asked if they could possibly give me a refund. If not, maybe they would give me store credit for the drone. Maybe they could use the DJI Care Refresh that I had purchased originally and send me out a new working drone. The only response I ever received is an email that basically stated something on the order of, "We have offered up every possible resolution in this case, and we are going to close it." And this was absolutely unacceptable to me. And the final straw, the reason I'm making this video is because they literally offered up 0 resolutions the entire time I was complaining with them back and forth. And any of the resolutions I offered up just went completely ignored. Here are some quick stats I came up with for this case regarding DJI's customer support. Over 166 chats over several days, 3 voicemails with no missed calls, 1 failed text attempt, several tweets and DMs on Twitter, 34 emails with escalated support, and an average response time of over 24 hours. And that's to the emails they even acknowledged. Some of the emails they didn't even respond to. And all of this with a total of 0 resolutions. One of my takeaways from this whole experience was simply tweeting them got them to respond the fastest. They wanted to make the public think that they care about their customers, even though they clearly did not. Just recapping the situation, I absolutely don't know who to believe. Did DJI receive the package and not want to reimburse me? Did someone at the post office steal my package? Or is the Cerritos post office running a scam in conjunction with DJI? And these are all questions that I really wish I had some answers to for you guys. How can you guys help me? I want to hear your stories about poor customer service from DJI or the United States Postal Service. You can comment below or feel free to tag me on Twitter along with DJI Customer Support and the United States Postal Service with any of the poor customer service situations you have had with either one of these. Please share this video as much as you can. Hopefully, this is my hope, that this video will improve customer service for both of these companies in the future, and possibly this video will save you $1,600, almost $2,000. Hopefully you guys won't have this problem in the future. On a side note, Jensen Air LLC, my drone company, is a free agent essentially, and I would also like to know what drone companies you guys think should be the drone provider for Jensen Air in the future. I can't wait to hear all of your comments. I hope this helped you in some form of way. Like I said at the beginning, I do not like making this kind of content. I am not a complainer myself, but I thought with a situation like this where someone loses this amount of money, I have to share it. Hopefully I can help you guys. Hopefully you guys can help me a little bit, and hopefully we can streamline and make the entire process of customer service for both of these companies a little bit better. Thank you. Remember, if you like my content, it really helps if you like my videos and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Hopefully it's a little more lighthearted and more exciting. Thanks again.